To create effective TikTok Shop ads, start by setting up your TikTok Shop account. This involves connecting your e-commerce platform to TikTok and verifying your account. Once verified, navigate to the TikTok Ads Manager and select the campaign objective as sales or conversions. Next, define your target audience by specifying age, location, interests, and behaviors. You can also use custom audiences or lookalike audiences to target users similar to your existing customers. Set a budget for your ad campaign and choose a bidding strategy, either cost per click or cost per 1,000 impressions. Now, create your ad content by selecting a product from your shop catalog and adding eye-catching images or videos. Use clear and concise ad copy that highlights the product benefits and includes a call to action. Ensure your ad content is consistent with your brand identity and messaging. When creating your ad, consider using TikTok's shopping template, which allows you to tag products directly in your ad. This enables users to purchase from your shop without leaving the app. You can also use collection ads, which showcase multiple products in a single ad. To optimize your ad performance, track key metrics such as click-through rate, conversion rate, and return on ad spend. Use TikTok's analytics tool to monitor your ad performance and make data-driven decisions to improve your campaign. Best practices for creating effective TikTok Shop ads include using high-quality visuals, leveraging user-generated content, and utilizing influencer partnerships. Ensure your ad content is engaging, relevant, and aligned with your target audience's interests. By following these steps and best practices, you can create successful TikTok Shop ads that drive sales and grow your e-commerce business.